Struggling to understand what a charge nurse actually does? Don't worry, by the end of this quick breakdown, it's all gonna click. Here's the big picture. A charge nurse is the leader running the show on the unit during a shift. They're the glue holding the whole team together. Let's make it stick. So what does a charge nurse do? Let's break it into 4 simple buckets. Bucket 1, leadership and team coordination. The charge nurse assigns patients to staff based on how sick each patient is and how skilled each nurse is. Think of them as the air traffic controller of the unit, making sure every nurse has a balanced, safe workload. They also mentor newer nurses and step in to settle conflicts when things get bumpy. Bucket 2, clinical oversight and patient safety. This is huge. The charge nurse keeps an eye on every patient on the floor, not just their own. They jump in during emergencies, help coordinate admissions and discharges, and make sure care is delivered safely. Remember this, safety is always the charge nurse's #1 job. Bucket 3, communication. The charge nurse is command central. They brief the incoming shift, talk with doctors and specialists, update families, and report staffing needs to the nurse manager. If communication breaks down, errors creep in, so this role keeps everyone on the same page. Bucket 4, staffing and administrative duties. Adjusting schedules, managing supplies, making sure documentation is accurate, and enforcing infection control. Basically, keeping the unit running smoothly from start to finish. Quick memory trick to lock it in: the 4 C's. Coordinate the team, clinical safety, communicate, and control the workflow. That's the charge nurse in a nutshell. Now, here's why this matters on the floor. Picture a busy shift. 1 patient's crashing, 2 new admissions are rolling in, and a nurse calls out sick. The charge nurse is the one who stays calm, reprioritizes assignments, and keeps everyone moving. They're the bridge between the bedside nurses and hospital leadership. And here's a key difference for your exams. A charge nurse leads during a single shift, while a nurse manager handles the big picture stuff like budgets, hiring, and long-term planning. Don't mix those two up on the NCLEX. And that's charge nurse responsibilities, made simple. Want more leadership and management content that actually sticks? Hit that subscribe button and check out our full library of videos, study guides, and practice questions. You've got this, future nurse, and we've got you. See you in the next one.